Today I am going to show you 2 easy science experiments part 9. If this is your first time in my channel and want to see more of my experiments, start now by clicking that red subscribe button and that small little bell icon so you get notified when I upload videos. And a huge thank you to all of you for subscribing me and getting me to 1000 subscribers. And off to the experiment. Our first experiment is going to be a spinning coin inside a balloon. To do this, you need a balloon and a coin. First put your coin inside your balloon. Now the coin is inside the balloon. See. Now blow your balloon. Now tie it. Okay, I have tied it. Now the coin inside the balloon. When you shake it like this, you can see the coin is I put some light down so you can see the inside. Let me put some light down, flashlight. The coin is running like that. That was the first experiment. The second experiment is going to be a candle seesaw experiment. To do this experiment, you will need a pair of pliers, a needle, a knife, 2 glasses, a candle, and matches. First, take your knife and cut off one end here. Now remove it. After that, shape it off so you can get that thing where we light it. I'll come back after doing it and I'll show you. I have cut the other side and cleaned off the table so you can see a better view. See, now here it is open and here also it is open. Now the next step, you need your needle. Now take your pliers and now put your needle in the center of your through your center. See the center. Now take both of your glasses and keep it like that. Keep it. Now balance it right there. I'll do it from this side. Now look where the heavier end is. And light the heavier end. Light the heavier end. Now it will start dripping and this side will become a bit lighter. Wait for it. Yeah. When it starts to balance, light the other side. After a while, you will start to see it moving like that and like that. I'll come back to some time and you will see the movement. After a lot of time, you can see it moves a lot. Yeah. So why does this happen? Now, the way this happens is because when we light both ends, first one end drips. When one end drips, the other end becomes heavier and this side becomes lighter, so it becomes like that. So after some time, this end starts to drip, then this will become lighter and this will become heavier and it will go like that. and it repeats again and again, so it makes that action. Those are all the experiments. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Click here to watch my last video. Click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.